Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Today is Monday, 13th April 2021. Okay, and it's your English period and I'm your English teacher. Take out your read now and open page number 40. You will mention CW and short date at the top of your page. Today we will do reading of I Love to Walk with Mommy. It's a poem. Let's start the reading. I love to walk with Mummy, for she sees such lovely things. The poinsettias trees, all blazing red, like Santa dressed to call on little girls and boys, just one and all. This poem is written by Ans R. Seble. In this poem, the poet expressed his feelings and he said that I love to walk with Mummy. The poet loved to walk with his mother and he wants to enjoy all the beauty of world. He said that he loved to walk with his mother because he sees the poinsettias trees, the blazing red, like Santa dress, to call on little girls and boys, just one and all. Here he is making comparison of poinsettias tree with the Santa Claus dress. Look here in this picture, it's a poinsettia tree and it's of hot red color. It's a burning red color and it's the Santa Claus. The color of poinsettia's tree and Santa Claus dress is same and it's hot red or burning red. Okay, the poet is making comparison between their color and he's saying that both are very much attractive for the children or for the girls and boys. Both want to see the beauty of poinsettia tree and both are attracted by the Santa Claus as the Santa Claus gives gift to kids or children on Christmas. So the poet is saying that I want to see the beauty of poinsettia tree and Santa Claus with his mother. Okay. I love to walk with Mummy, for she sees such lovely things a nodding in the breeze. To us are bamboo plumes as we pass by. They do not seem the very least bit shy. Now, the poet is saying that he loves to walk his mother because he likes to move his head in the fresh breeze or fresh air. Okay, breeze is slow moving air and nodding means to move head. So the poet enjoys moving his head in the fresh breeze. To us are bamboo plumes as we pass by. They do not seem the very least bit shy. Now he is saying the bamboo and plumes. Look here in this picture. These are the bamboos. They are still standing. They are not moving their or they are not nodding. So poet is saying that the bamboo and plumes are a bit shy. They are not enjoying the slow moving air. And these are the plumes. These are light weighted feathers of any kind of bird. So the poet is saying that the bamboo and plumes are not enjoying the fresh air, but the kid with his mother is enjoying all the beauty of nature. I love to walk with Mummy, for she sees such lovely things beneath the shady trees. A silvery fan, and cold and many a flower, that make a perfect, perfect fairy bower. In this paragraph, the poet says that I want to walk with my mother and or he loves to walk with mother because she is the only person who enjoys the shady trees. Shady trees are the trees which are very much covered with leaves. Okay, so he enjoys or wants to see all the shady trees with his mother. A silver fan. Look here in this picture, it's a fan leaf. Okay, so the poet want to see this silvery fan with his mother. In this paragraph, the poet appreciated all the beautiful flowers and said that these flowers makes a perfect fairy bower. Means when the flowers are together in a circle, they formed a kind of fairy bower. So he likes or he wants to enjoy all the beautiful flowers with his mother. And Mummy says she will soon come tripping out. I did love to see her, so I will wait about. Side of his short, this shortcut near the fairy gate. I am sure the fairy queen will not be late. I love to walk with mummy for she sees such lovely things. In this paragraph, he is saying that if his mother says him to wait for her, he will stand over the gate and wait until his mother will not come. He said that he can wait for her mother for a long time. He said that because he is comparing his mother with a fairy queen. So he is saying that I am very much sure he is in belief that the fairy queen will not be late. He is making comparison of his mother to a fairy and he is saying that a fairy never gets late. He loves his mother very much, so he can wait for his mother every time. That's why he loves to walk with his mother. The poet wants to walk with his mother for his whole life because he thinks that his mother is the only person who can save him from the dangers and from the world problem. Okay, so he is saying that look here, there is a picture of a boy with his mother, and he is enjoying all the beauty of nature with his mother. Now, you will do reading of this poem and then you have to send me your feedback. You will also underline difficult word and you will learn it for dictation.